Greetings, my name is Chantal, and I hope you are all staying blessed up, trill, and gassed up with love. Today, I'm going to be sharing a quick 2-product deep treatment for damaged hair. This is a treatment I enjoy doing, especially when my hair is dry and I need to tame and define my curls like today. Wondering how I achieve these results? Please keep watching. Starting on freshly washed hair, notice I don't want my hair to be too dry, nor do I want it to be drenched. I'm going to apply the first product to get my hair nice and moisturized. As you can see, I have tons of damaged hair and I desperately need a trim. This is why I'm excited to be using the Aussies Miracle Curls Hair Mask. It smells absolutely amazing, guys. So starting at the root of my hair that has been parted into two, I'm going to slide my hands over my hair with a good amount of product all the way to the ends of my hair. I want my hair to almost look like it's soaked again, but this time I want it to be mostly soaked with product. The Aussies hair mask that I'm using comes from the Curl Box edition. That only cost me $10. For $10, I got either 5 or 6 full-size products other than this mask. It costs $10 for the actual box and $5 to ship the box. I mean, what a great deal. If you would like to see the items that I received in that specific curl box, go ahead and head over to my IG page, which is TrillWithLove. Also, check out Curlbox's page. Keep up with the latest news and all of their greatest offers by just following them, also on Instagram. Next, we will be adding in the moisture sealing product, which just happens to be my favorite. It is the Tropical Isles Living Jamaican Black Castor Oil. If you have not heard about Jamaican Black Castor Oil, the benefits of the oil is insane. It is great for growing hair, but it's also great for making your hair super soft and super thick. I like to dedicate quite a bit of time to making sure that my hair is evenly saturated with the products. This just means finger combing through my hair a bit longer. Now I'm going to use the same Jamaican Black Castor Oil from Tropic Isles Living, and I'm going to put it in a bottle with an applicator. I now want to focus on my roots. I'm going to make sure that the roots of my hair are well saturated. This way the oil penetrates my scalp and soaks into the rest of my hair. And that is pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and give myself 2 quick braids. They don't have to be perfect at all. Just something to help lock in the moisture while I wrap my hair up in a plastic bag to retain all of the heat that my hair is going to generate. So seeing that the fronts of my hair is still a bit dry, what I'm gonna actually do is go ahead and apply even more product using the applicator bottle onto my scalp. This is what my hair looked like before the deep treatment, super dry, and honestly, day 7, day 8 hair, don't judge. But now this is my results. This is actually day 2 hair. I'm loving the definition and I'm loving the moisture. If you are interested in seeing me get rid of my damaged ends, please do go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you like my results, please go ahead and subscribe so you can join me on my journey to healthy hair.